dear students, how are you everyone? So let's start our lesson number 2, Introduction to Computer Network. So this is the last part of lesson number 2 and we are going to see what are the advantages and disadvantages of networking. So first we are going to take page number 25, Advantages of Networking. Following are the advantages of computer networking. Data from distance location can be acquired in a very short span of time. So already we know that to take a data from the short distance, it takes less time. For example, from one computer to another computer, from one room to second room. So it takes very less time. And second point is, here is the picture. You can see computer of a USA and get me data from USA, that from USA to USA, data sent from USA immediately. It reduces the cost of computer hardware required in a network. For example, in a computer lab, single printer can be shared among all other computers of lab. So already you know that in lab also we share one printer with the others all computer. So that can be said as a distant data to share from one to another. And you can use one printer to take the printout from the first computer, second or third. All of the three computer you can take out printout from the one printer. That is to share printer this all three computer. And third point is, it provides very powerful base for developing useful application which otherwise cannot be developed. For example, written rail reservation. Written rail reservation is possible only because of computer networking. So reservation is also very easy to take out, to find out ticket, printed ticket with the help of this internet also. For example, here it is given Mumbai, give a Mumbai to Delhi ticket and you will get in Delhi also. So that can be also very easy to take out and to find out. And number 5. It is a mean for fast communication. So from first, second and third point, it is clear that it works very fast for the communication. Users of computer network can chat or send mail to each other that reach people almost instantly. Within the short time of period, we get the information. We can chat, we can send a mail, we can send data within the short time. And here is another an example. Here two boys are chatting with each other with the help of communication medium is this given, communication medium with the help of net. I am fine, Ramesh. Friend is giving reply to his friend. And here is the friend asking question, how are you, Anil? And he gave reply to his friend. Page number 26, Disadvantages of networking. Few things in the world it is fixed that when you get benefit, there are also side effect also are there. You can say one type of positivity and negativity you can say, or you can say advantages, disadvantages and profit or loss, somewhat vice versa like this. So same way in the network area also. So disadvantages of networking. So first point, fault in single computer can be often bring complete network down. So one computer is something goes wrong, then it makes problem in network also. That network downs, then one computer doesn't work, then others also same problem created. So in such a situation, many people may not able to do work. Okay, so it is clear from this also. Benefits are there and disadvantages are also there. So here, if server is not working, the main computer is not working server, then it doesn't pass computer network to another computer also. So they are also not able to pass anything. So all connected user cannot work. These are the few user. This is the main server from where net is passed to these three computer. And next, notorious people in network may delete other people's data. So this is also one type of risk that someone other also delete your data. For example, in office also these things happen nowadays. Okay, and another thing is hackers. You know about hackers also, they also take your data. So be alert for everything you save in the computer. Unauthorized people can use secret information and pass it to others. Sometimes your partner or your friend who is working with you, or the person next to who is sitting with you in the office, also do this all things, because nowadays challenges are there. Person who rises, there is one person who make him down. And last one, it imposes threats from computer viruses. Also chances of virus that your work doesn't says, or you can't get your data also. So here, and sometimes some people are there that everything they delete your data, and it also clean the trash box also, so you will not able to receive also, or they some do some changes also. These things happen. See, this is, you can say, one type of thief, or you can say a hacker who hacks your work. So this is the thing. As insects bite, so same way this is the picture one type of given. So setting up computer network is costly affair and require additional money. Okay, so here are the few things you should keep in mind, and we end this chapter and we will do exercise of this lesson.